Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Let's start the grade 6th first chapter of the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Okay. So in this lecture, we will complete 20 questions, and in the next part 2 lecture, we will complete the rest of the 20 questions. Okay. So let's start with the question number 1. Name of some animals are given below. Snake, horse, vulture, deer. Which of the following animal form a pair of carnivore? So snake is the carnivore. Yes, it eats the insects. And vulture is the carnivore. Horse and deer both are the herbivore. So first and third. So first answer will be option B. Okay. Come to question number 2. Which of the following parts are edible in banana plant? Actually, we can eat banana as the fruit, stem as we make vegetable using the banana stem, and we eat the flower of the banana also as the vegetable. So you can say we all of the above can be eaten of the banana plant. So second answer will be option D. Question number 3. Below two statements are given. Choose the correct option for the given statement. Statement 1. Plants are producer. Yes, plants are producer. Why? Because they are capable to prepare their own food in presence of sunlight with chlorophyll using carbon dioxide and water. So that's why we can say plants are the producer. Statement 2. Honey is the plant product? No. Honey is the animal product. It can be collected by the honey bee. Okay. From the flower of the plants. So you can say statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. Option B. So third answer will be option B. Question number 4. Which crop among the following is a source for most of the food for human being? So everywhere the human eats the wheat. Okay, and wheat is present everywhere. So that's why C will be the answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is a food substance? Fruits is the food substance. Yes. Grasses are also food substance for animals. Leaves of many plants are all the food substance. So we can take all the parts as the food substance. Fifth answer will be option D. Question number 6. Monkeys is N. They are the omnivores. Monkeys are omnivore. They can eat the veg and non-veg both. The sixth answer will be option D. Question number 7. In which of the following plants seed is not an edible part? The seed is not an edible part. In wheat, we eat seed. Pea, seed is the edible part. Rice, seed is the edible part. But in the spinach, the leaf is the edible part. The seventh answer will be option C. Question number 8. Dash is produced when the seeds begin to grow by developing tiny roots. So these are the tiny roots of the seeds, and this is known as sprout. So option C will be the correct answer. Eighth answer will be option C. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of scavenger? So bear is the omnivore. Jackal, this is the picture of jackal. Jackal is the scavenger. And what are scavenger? Scavenger are those animal who eats the dead animal. Okay. Horse is the herbivore and tiger is the carnivore. So ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. Which of the following is included in our diet but it is neither a plant nor an animal product? ठीक है, तो oil is the plant product, milk is the animal product, rice is the plant product, but salt is neither a plant nor a animal product. Option C will be the correct answer. 11. In which of the following plants stem are the edible part? Stem are edible part. So radish is the root, carrot is the root, potato is the stem, and apple is the fruit. You all just note down it and remember it. So B answer. 11th answer will be option B. Potato is the stem. Modified stem. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of oil seed? So mustard, we can take out oil from mustard seed. Soya bean, we can take out oil from the soya bean seed also. Maize, we can't take out. So option A and B. 12th answer will be option D. ठीक है, question number 13. Which part of most of the plants provide us oil? So seeds provide us oil. Leaves, fruits and flowers could not provide us oil. So 13th answer will be option C. Question number 14. Which vitamin among the following is rich in cod liver oil? In the cod liver oil, vitamin A is rich. Okay. So 14th answer will be option C. 15th. Teeth are present in sparrow. They have beak. Snake. They have teeth. You can see earthworm. They don't have teeth. Bee don't have teeth. So 15th answer will be option B. Question number 16. Which of the following stores food in its stem? So in the stem, sweet potato, it is root. Cabbage, it is leaf. Sugarcane, it is stem. Spinach, it is leaf. So 16th answer will be option B. Question number 17. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores are the categories of animals divided on the basis of their eating habit or food habit, we can say. Option B will be the correct answer. So 17th answer is option B. Question number 18. Match the following. Garlic. Garlic is the stem. Garlic is stem. Okay. Spinach. Spinach is the leaf. Orange. Orange is the fruit and turnip is the root. Okay. So 1D, 2A, 1D, 2A. Option A is the correct answer. 18th answer will be, wait, 1D, sorry, 2 is C. 2 is C and 3 is A. 18th answer will be option C. Okay. Question number 19. Which among the following animals eat food already digested by another animal? This tapeworm. Actually, tapeworm is the insect. It can be present in, it is the worm actually. It may be present in our digestive system. It is present in the small intestine and it can hurt your stomach also. Okay. So, and it eats our digested food. So that's why A will be the correct answer. So 19th answer will be option A. Question number 20. In the coriander, which part of the plant is edible? So this is the coriander leaf. We eat the leaves also. We eat its stem also. And we eat its seed also. That's why 20th answer will be option D. All of the above. We eat all the parts of the coriander except the root. Okay. Hope you understand all the questions explained here. And if you have any doubt, you can put your doubt question number in the comment box. Okay, and if you understood all the questions properly, so don't forget to mention your feedback in the comment section. Your feedback means a lot for me. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.